Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how to format for columns, and like how to separate the values from certain column. Here check the this column. They make a price in Indian rupees. This Indian rupees is the symbol, so we need to remove from this. We need to remove from this symbol, and we take only is the values. Okay, how do we do this one? First we need to check it. We need to select this one. And then go to data and text to column, and then fixed with next, and then where you want to divide it, we can click that one and go to here and finish. See, the two column is there. One is symbol, another one is a normal column, normal values. So we don't want this one. We need to take this one here and remove this one, delete this column. Now we separate column, so we clean this one. So in rupees, Indian rupees, okay, we can put rupees. That's it. So how do we remove this one? How to remove additional symbol or anything? So we need to select that data and then go to data tab and then select the text to column, and then here fixed with, and then select the where you want to divide, and then finish. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and comment please. Thank you.